Hi guys, in this video I'll be discussing about how an airplane works, what its basic principles are. So now I have a model of a B-29 stealth bomber. It does not matter because the basic principles are the same. So moving on, I'll be talking about the basic components of an airplane. So here the cylindrical part which we see here, this is known as the fuselage. It has wings on each side and engines as we can see it. And then the back part of the plane, this is known as the empennage. It consists of vertical stabilizer and horizontal stabilizer. And basically to navigate a plane in air, there are flap-like things. The inner side of the wing has something known as flaps which can move like this. The outer edge of the wings has ailerons. And then on the horizontal stabilizer there are elevators, and on the vertical stabilizer there is a rudder. So these were the basic components of an airplane. Now we'll be talking about the forces which act on an airplane in air. So there are four forces basically: weight, lift, drag, thrust. So thrust is what pushes the airplane forward. Drag is just the opposite of it, which drags the plane back. And weight, we all know it, and lift is what pulls it in. So this is all about the forces which act on an airplane in air. So guys, fasten your seatbelts because you are about to go airborne. The flaps play an important role in taking off. So the engines fire, the plane starts moving forward, flaps go down, air is pushed down and the plane goes up. This is how we take off. Now let's talk about how we navigate in air. So let's say how we gain altitude. The elevators play an important role in gaining altitude. They are situated here on the horizontal stabilizer at the back. They can move like this. So let's say the elevator is tilted downwards. So the air is pushed downwards again. So the empennage, it gets a lift and the plane dips. Isn't it a bit confusing? So let's remember it this way. Elevator goes down, the plane goes down. Elevator goes up, the plane goes up. That's it. Let's see how we turn a plane in air. The rudder plays an important role in turning. It is situated on the vertical stabilizer here and it turns like this. So let's say the rudder turns towards you. So the air is pushed towards you, the empennage is turned towards me, and as a whole the plane turns towards you. This is how we turn. Now let's see its role. The main part is played by the ailerons. An important fact about ailerons is that they always tilt in opposite directions. Let's say the aileron towards you is tilted downwards and the aileron towards me is tilted upwards. So the aileron towards you, which is tilted downwards, pushes the air down. So the wing on your side gets a positive lift, whereas the wing on my side gets a negative lift. So that's how it rolls. Generally, the plane in air uses all the three kinds of motion, that is pitch, yaw and roll, right? So that's it. Bye. But wait, you are still in air. So let's get you to land. So the principle behind landing is just the opposite of taking off. The part is played by the flaps. The flaps are turned upwards, the air is pushed up, the plane goes down and the speed is slowed down and it lands, right? By the way, this was Rishabh from NITC and Bon Voyage.